The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Curry County and east central New Mexico until 5 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:17 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Broadview, or 25 miles north of Clovis, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clovis, Broadview, Bellevue, and Pleasant Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Curry, New Mexico,